Super Sport. It's a 383 stroker, running a little bit of nitrous oxide.
Yeah. You're now watching PAIRADICE TV.
I went out there the first time around, and I just upped the horsepower on it and got kind of nervous. And when I went to spray it, it didn't turn on. I said, well, maybe the nitrous system got nervous. But when I got back over to my pit over there and checked it out, found out it was my fault. I accidentally kicked one of the wires out the fuse box. The nitrous is ready to go. It was on me. We're gonna see how it runs though.
A 1972 Chevelle, much performance side. Full block power.
Oh, I can't tell you no times. I can't tell you no times, man.
It's a small, big block. It's only 477 cubic inches, and it's just fuel injected on alcohol, and that's about it. I've been coming up here since '62, so, and you know, I just got really back into it in the last 15 years. High 7, low 8 second car. Yeah, 160, 170 miles an hour.
Any Thatcher gets the win, Lloyd.
69 Chevelle. It's got a 522, no nitrous, runs 970 on horsepower. And my wife Terry drives it.
Glasgow. Beautiful. Coming up in lane number 1.
Motor, transmission, rear end. That's about it.
Hi, 1969 Nova. It's got the strut front end, the big tire. It's got the big motor. We did everything to it. 632 with a glide. Best time is 8:07. We won this race 3 years in a row. Black Sunday, real proud of that. Today we went out second round. We gave it hell. Sometimes you win some, sometimes you don't. It's a good time, you know. Look at all the people out here.
Going down, your boy Cheerio, Black Sunday 2010.
You just got whipped by PAIRADICE TV.
I know, Larry. We had ribs last night and they hit the spot. It's a 74 Chevy Camaro.
We basically did all the chrome, paint job, 21-inch rim.
Hey, it's Supermoto Corey here, Great Lakes Dragway, Black Sunday, the best place to be. The only place to be, really. I mean, you gonna see the footage, it's hot.
Love PAIRADICE TV. Yeah. All right.
Black Sunday. Here to represent, you know, hold it down for the South Side of Chicago.
This is the 87 Monte Carlo.
I painted the rims the same color as the car. Root beer, you know.
That'd be a good car to have on here for the Race for a Cure event.
Whip game on Paradise TV, baby, always.
Chevy Caprice. Originally it was a squad car.
Lifted, raised, fiberglass. You see TVs everywhere.
Now watching the whip game on Paradise TV. No go stand up.
Whip game on Paradise TV.
You're now watching Paradise TV.
Paradise TV is what's up. Let's get it in, baby.
Yeah, man, you niggas watching Paradise TV, man. You dig what I'm saying? You're watching the whip game on Paradise TV. You're now watching Paradise.
Paradise TV.
Yes, we need Paradise, man.
I'm on that bandwagon.
Hey, man, you know what it is. It ain't official unless you hear the whistle. So the Candyman bless it. You are now watching Paradise TV. Go. Okay, the whip game on Paradise TV. What channel was that on, man? Okay, here we are right now. We got everything sanded down. It's ready for paint. Right now we're gonna get it ready, prepped up, and then clean it up real good, so there'll be no oil, no grease or nothing around it. Well, we're cleaning everything out. No dust, no particles in the paint. You don't want none of that. So clean everything up, and then before I get ready to paint, throw a little bit of water too, make sure everything cleaned up, ready.
You gotta keep the shop clean. Gotta keep it clean.
Then we're gonna prep it, paper everything up, so we can paint. Mostly every body shops, what I'm thinking, they should do that, So I used to work on different body shops, they all do that, clean it up, clean the booth real good and get everything ready. We're gonna go with an outrageous sky blue with the pearl on top. We're gonna shoot some extra pearl so you will have a little effect on it. We're gonna go with 22s, nice thick tire. You want to stay old school, you don't want to go too high. So he'll be looking nice. And we go from there. I'll let you decide if it's nice or not once it's done. So we'll see you later when it's painting. Whip game, Paradise TV, baby, all day, all day.
From the Brew City